All right, kind of a cool story. Switching gears, however, looking at Black Desert Sky Cam, again showing off some of the cloud cover. We had some move through the state today, kind of take the edge off of, or help take the edge off of some of the high heat we had. Again, temperatures with southwest flows have been well above average. A look up at the mountains. Yeah, we still have some snow melting off up at the highest elevations. We've got stars that are out. It's beautiful this evening. We do have some smoke and haze that have been moving through the state, courtesy of fires, unfortunately, burning in the state and to the southwest of us with the southwest flow that's still taking shape. No big changes tomorrow. We're actually going to see an increase in our southerly winds thanks to a storm system that's out in the Pacific Northwest getting closer. It will bring a front through and bring some changes to northern Utah, but until that happens, we're going to be dealing with critical fire conditions at least through Monday. At midnight, we've got critical fire weather with those hot temperatures. When we talk about red flag warnings, it's the temperatures, the low relative humidity, and the winds that we're dealing with. Gusty winds up to 30-35 miles per hour, which of course create extreme fire behavior and extreme fire conditions. And for all the areas you see shaded in red under red flag warning, so the entire central southern portion of the state primarily, expecting to see those 10 to 25 mile per hour sustained winds, gusts 30 to 35 out of the southwest with low relative humidity. And so existing fires will continue, unfortunately, to spread at a rapid pace. And if new fires start, they'll also continue to spread rapidly as well. So do our part if we can to prevent any wildfires. Futurecast showing that little change into tomorrow. We will see some increasing cloud cover. This system that's grazing us Monday night into Tuesday is just bringing some clouds, no moisture, and the wind. Northwest flow settles in behind it Tuesday. It'll help drop temperatures to closer to seasonal highs up north, at least. Little change down south. And then high pressure continues to take shape or dominate the forecast through the rest of the week, creating hot temperatures. In fact, that's kind of the name of the game. The high heat with upper level Futurecast gets a little bit of a break with that trough. Ridge rebuilds, generating potentially record highs on Thursday for the Wasatch Front. In fact, we're looking at our first triple-digit day. Normally doesn't happen until July 7th. Forecast right now, we could have that as early as Thursday with 102 expected, 101 the current record. And you can see some of the changes in temperatures with the yellows there. We should drop out to about 88, which is about normal behind the front on Tuesday before we quickly rebound back to above average, if not record highs. 106 in St. George, not record heat for you, but it's everywhere you look. It's just hot. 106, windy, 103, and Tuesday windy as well. We top out at 108 on Thursday. Summer officially kicking off with solstice. Happens Friday evening, so we've got the longest amount of daylight right now in the northern hemisphere. 101 on Saturday. We drop to the mid-90s on Sunday. Another storm system early next week, or the latter half of the weekend, is looking like it could pack a decent punch with temperatures, but it's lacking moisture. 93 on your Monday, 88 for Tuesday, breezy as well. A nice day Wednesday, but still above normal. Downright hot on Thursday. Summer should be about 99. Sunny skies on Friday, breezy. Winds picking up into the weekend ahead of that next storm system. Look at the temperature drop, about 20 degrees cooler almost from Friday to Sunday. Upper 70s expected. That's below average. Broken clouds are expected. Might see a few showers, possibly even some cooler weather Monday into next week as well. Jordan?